Good morning, everybody. And thank you for inviting me to this event. So my name is Pierre Guisset, and I'm here representing the Passage project. So I will have two messages for you this morning. First, explain you in a very short time what the Passage project aims to do, and also to share with you some of my personal feelings or opinion about European funding. First, 2 minutes about the Passage project. Passage, it's a 4-year project. It's an FP7 project, still 1 year to go. It's about a 10 million investment, 7 million European funding, 19 partners. What we aim to do is to solve a problem that software developers and IT system managers may have in developing or migrating applications to the cloud. The problem is that the cloud technologies are not standardized, they are not homogeneous, so it's difficult to create an application that can run on different cloud technologies, and very often you are locked to a cloud provider. We want to ease that, to allow developers to develop once and deploy on many clouds, and for example to create applications that are able to adapt themselves. Suppose that an application is running on a cloud and needs more resource than that cloud platform can provide, then Passage can automatically undeploy and redeploy this application on another cloud that can provide the resources. We have a language that is at the core of Passage, that we call CAML, for Cloud Application Modeling and Execution Language. So the project has now almost 3 years done, and we are in the last phase of the project, really making the product that will result for Passage. We decided mainly for sustainability reasons to create an open source product for sustainability and maximizing the impact. And I think it's important to notice that all business industrial partners were really happy to adopt the open source strategy for exploiting Passage results. And we are also very strongly now involved in defining for each of the 19 partners their individual exploitation plan, how they are going to exploit the results. And even for the non-profit partners, we use the business model canvas as a tool to support that, and it's very interesting to provoke a bit the researchers. I like provocation, you will see that. To provoke the researchers and asking them, well, who has your customers? What is your value proposition to your customers? So that makes our meetings for Passage very interesting at this time. So more information on the Passage website that you find. Now, second part of my short talk, my personal opinion about EU funding. And I like to rebound on the question that Mr. de Graaf mentioned from Nelly Cruz about where are the innovative SMEs. And I am an independent consultant. I work also a lot with those innovative SMEs, the business leaders of those companies. And I can tell you, most of them, they are not in the European programs. They are not in Horizon 2020. And again, provocative, but I think the main reason for that is that the funding rate, I'm talking about Horizon 2020, the funding rate is not appropriate. It's far too high. You should cut the funding rate by half to get the innovative SMEs in the program. The reason is that the program is really monopolized by public bodies, academies, research organizations that make their business of getting public funding. There is an interesting website which is called Research Data, I think, and somebody in Germany is analyzing all the statistics about funding, FP7 and Horizon 2020 funding. If you look to the data of 2014, there is a compound index there, the first 42 organizations successful in Horizon 2020 funding in 2014 are academia and research organizations. The first industry, and that's a large industry, is number 43. So I think the program as it is designed right now is not suited for industry, because they face a competition which is, from their point of view, unfair from organizations that make their business, that put their best people, the best creative people into research proposal writing. Thank you for your attention.